What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm cutting out the theory that how I make $23,706 per day by rug pull meme coins. And when I say rug pull meme coins, I don't mean gambling or watching charts all day. This is the full blueprint that I'm going to show you today. But skipping even one part can cause the coin to not work best. So stay and watch all the steps. Let's start.
So listen, getting rich launching meme coins in 2025. Honestly, it's gotten so ridiculously easy that being a crypto millionaire these days, it's not even that crazy anymore. I've personally made over $1.6 million just doing this, and yeah, I can even refresh it. So you can see I'm legit and I'm not trying to flex or anything. I just wanted you to know that I actually have results from this. So today I'm going to lay out my entire process literally step by step. We're talking about everything. How I pick the best platform to launch, how I get ideas that can go viral, how I create my coins, how I set up my liquidity pools, how I get people to actually buy my coins, and of course the main event, how I profit from all of this. So yeah, let's do it. Now before we even get started, I gotta explain to you why 99% of people completely fail at this. They pick the worst platforms to launch, they go for horrible concepts, and then they're just sitting there scratching their heads, wondering why no one's buying their coin. So first off, platform choice. This is like massive, and most people just get it completely wrong. You've got all of these platforms like Pump.fun, Boop, Bonk, LaunchLab. There are literally dozens of them. But here's the problem. When you use those, you don't actually own your liquidity. They're in control of everything, which means you can't really max out your profits. Plus, these platforms are so ridiculously simple to use that like hundreds of coins are getting launched every single minute. Look at this case. It's just pure insanity. Your coin is going absolutely nowhere if you launch here, trust me. So what I personally use instead is Raydium. Yeah, it's a bit more technical, sure, but with the right tools, it's honestly not that hard. The main thing is you actually get to control your own liquidity, which translates to way more profit potential. And on top of that, there's way less competition because most people are just too lazy to figure out how to launch on Raydium. I mean, I've tried launching on these other platforms before, and honestly, the results were just garbage, like barely any visibility. And even when coins did okay, I couldn't properly manage the liquidity. With Raydium, I can actually control everything the way I want to. Alright, so this next step, this is make or break. Your concept is literally everything. Get it right and people will buy your coin like crazy. Mess it up and you just wasted a bunch of your precious time. Most people just pick like random junk and then they're surprised when it totally flops. I mean, even though crypto Dejans will buy almost anything, you still need something that's at least like genuinely funny or tied to a trending topic. So how do I find those winning concepts? I've got 3 different methods I personally use, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do each one. So my first approach is always checking what's blowing up on Dex Screener for recent launches, and look at Twitter to see how much discussion there is around the topic you're selecting. If there are already 5+ coins with similar themes that launch this week, I pass. If there's maybe 1 or 2, but they're not well executed, that's perfect. It means there's demand, but not a good supply. But honestly, if you're new to this game, I really wouldn't recommend this method. You don't know what actually works yet, so this is more for when you have a bit more experience. I only started using this after I'd launched like 20 or 30 coins and really started to understand the patterns. Alright, so now method number 2, copy what already works. This one is way better for beginners, and it's actually what I recommend most people start with. What I do is I find coins that are doing pretty well, but haven't like completely exploded yet. Something in the $50, $100, maybe $200,000 market cap range. Then I basically just recreate my own version of that coin. I use Solana tokenlab.io for this because it's the fastest, but the key is having all your parameters ready before you start. So the name for me is going to be Pixel Pepe. Symbol is going to be Pixel. For the logo, I use ChatGPT for this. I just type this simple prompt: create a 1x1 pixel art style logo of Pepe the Frog wearing retro gaming sunglasses. 8-bit aesthetic, vibrant colors, no text, memeable style, and it came up with this. It's perfect. So add the logo here. Decimals, I'm gonna go with 6, and for the supply, I'm gonna go with 1 billion. So that's 1 and 9 zeros. For the description, I have a template that works for any concept. It goes like this. Concept has arrived. Brief explanation of why it's relevant. This isn't just another category coin, it's emotional hook. Join the community name and call to action, and then just use a bunch of trending hashtags. So in my case, I went with this. Pixel Pepe has arrived, combining the legendary Pepe meme with retro gaming nostalgia. This isn't just another meme coin, it's a journey back to the golden age of gaming. Join the Pixel army and level up your portfolio, and a bunch of hashtags. Now, these revoke options, I'm enabling all of them. This is super important because if you don't enable them, you'll have a bunch of warnings on all platforms like DexWinner and BullX, all of those. People see those warnings and they won't buy, so always enable these revoke options. So just hit create token, accept the transaction, and don't worry about this warning. Phantom shows this by default on all websites. So just click confirm, wait for it, and boom, our token is now created. I'm gonna copy this token address here because we're gonna need it later in the video. So next step, setting up a liquidity pool. Now here's the thing, our token exists, but it's not tradable yet. We need to create a liquidity pool. This is where a lot of people mess up. Well, now you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done by just going to solanatokenlabs.io. You will see an option to create liquidity on the website. If you see on the above website, it will direct you to Raydium because it is more popular. I click create, select standard, and a page opens with the creation of a liquidity pool. I'm gonna go with 90% of the supply. That's 900 million tokens. Why 90%? Because I want to keep 10% for myself. That's my potential profit if this thing takes off. For the code token, I'm gonna go with 0.5 SOL. Now listen, this doesn't have to be exactly 0.5. You can use 0.3, 0.7, 0.1, whatever you have. The key is just getting the pool started. The actual amount doesn't matter as much as people think. This initial liquidity sets your starting price, but the market will determine the real price within minutes of launch. So don't overthink it. So just click Initialize Liquidity Pool, accept the transaction, wait a few seconds. There we go, our pool is now created. Look at this, our token is officially live and tradable. If you go to Photon right now, look at this, here's our token. Now here's the most important step. You have exactly 15 minutes to set up your marketing before the token gets buried in the noise. Every minute counts. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of spending hours manually posting everywhere, we'll let AI do the heavy lifting. So I'm going straight to promotememes.com. Time is everything here. I'm pasting the token address here, and for the promotion type, I'm going with the advance. The free plan just doesn't create enough buzz. If you're serious about this, go with the advance. So click Promote MemeCoin. Accept the transaction. We're live for the next 3 hours. Our token gets promoted automatically across Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and more. This is what would take me hours to do manually. So now we just have to wait and see what results we get after the 3 hours. So I'm pausing the recording and I'll be back once the promotion is done. Alright, the promotion is done, and holy moly, the numbers are insane. Look at this. Our coin reached 151,000 market cap. Just absolutely wild. I've seen this happen so many times. First hour is kind of quiet. Second hour, some people jump in. Third hour, full-on FOMO. Well, if I remove the liquidity now, I will get about 133.02. Solana, that's okay. Very good profit. Look how well this token flies to the moon. Well, now I look at my position in the portfolio, and I see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, you need to click Remove Liquidity, select 100%, and click Remove Liquidity. Solana will be in your wallet. Well, that's a good profit. I will take it now. I click Remove Liquidity. Okay. I see my tokens return to the wallet. So I sign the transition, and that's it. And the liquidity is removed. Now let me quickly cover the biggest mistakes I see. Mistake number 1, spending too much time planning instead of launching. Mistake number 2, Promoting your coin before it's properly indexed. Mistake number 3, using the free plan on promotememes.com. And mistake number 4, getting emotional and not taking profits. Avoid this, and you're ahead of 90% of people trying this. Now look, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Some launches will fail completely, others will exceed your expectations. That's just the nature of this game. But if you follow this system, pick good concepts, launch fast, use smart automation, and take profits strategically, you'll be playing at a completely different level than most people. The key is understanding that speed beats perfection, automation beats manual work, and taking profits beats hoping for more. Now, obviously, this is all educational. I'm just saying what works for me. You make your own decisions. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. See ya.